Are you looking to adjust for a wide range of camber and keep it precisely locked in on your 99 and newer Porsche 911 or your 97 and newer Boxster or Cayman? If so, Elephant Racing's Eccentric Control Arm Monoball cartridges are the answer you're looking for. Our Eccentric Control Arm Monoball cartridges replace factory inner rubber bushings with spherical bearings, providing low friction and precisely holding camber settings. The eccentric design allows increasing or decreasing camber as needed. Made from hardened steel, they're plated and weather sealed. These bearings are made to last. They'll fit the front or rear stock and GT3 type control arms. They're sized to fit the factory original control arms. Unfortunately not compatible with some aftermarket replacement control arms that use a larger non-stock size bushing. If you're looking to increase camber, position the Eccentric Monoball to maximize lower wishbone length. Doing so adds about 0.86 degree of negative camber on the 996 or 997 rear suspension, about 0.36 degree of negative camber on the Boxster rear suspension, and 0.39 degrees on the 996, 997, and Boxster front suspension. It's cost effective for cars that just want extra camber. To do the opposite and decrease camber, you'd position the Eccentric to minimize lower wishbone length. Perfect for lowered cars that have too much negative camber and want to get back to factory camber settings to minimize tire wear on the street. It makes rear camber about 0.86 degrees more positive and front camber about 0.39 degrees positive for 996 and 997s, while Boxsters will be about 0.39 degrees positive front and 0.36 degrees positive rear. If you're looking for even more camber and ease of adjustment, see our bolt-on GT3 type fully adjustable control arms. Lower control arm eccentric monoballs are available in a front and rear application for 99 through 2012 Porsche 996 and 997, as well as 97 and up Boxsters and Caymans. Also available in front-only applications for 2013 through 2019 Porsche 991s.